welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Jerry from Tom and Jerry, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started by splitting our paper in half. We're going to start with the nose. So on the left hand side, we're going to arch this around and then pulling that back down on the right hand side. From here, on the side here, curving this down, arching this around, pulling that back through on the left. And then we'll replicate this on the right hand side, just making sure that those lines touch together in the center. Let's draw in a sideways oval on the very top here for our highlight. Just blending that into our top line. And then we'll color in the nose black. Let's continue with the mouth underneath, coming over on the left hand side, drawing in a nice big arch line. And then we'll curve this line across for the tongue. Let's come up, bridging the top of the nose here. We're just going to curve this out on both sides. And then now moving up on a diagonal, we're going to curve this line around, pulling that out for the cheek. Let's add in the eyes now. So we're going to come across from this corner. We're going to draw a nice big arch line, pulling this around and over towards the top. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, and we'll just make sure that we leave a gap in the center of our page. Now for the pupil, stepping in, we're going to curve this line all the way around and through to the bottom. And now let's add in our highlight. So on the top here, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll just color in the pupil black. Let's add in some eyelashes here. So on the top, on a diagonal, we're just going to curve two lines on the side, and then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Let's move back down now. Underneath the mouth for the chin, we're just going to curve this line around, pulling that back up on the right, closing that off. Let's add in some whiskers here. So from the top, we're going to curve this line out. Stepping down in the middle again, replicating that, just extending this one slightly longer towards the side of the head. And then we'll do the exact same thing, moving down one more time, curving this out. Finishing those off. Let's draw in the shape of the head now. So coming up in the middle, we're going to curve this line out to the right, tucking that back down. We'll move up, starting back in the center, curving this out. And then again, we're just going to bring this out and down on the left. Let's close off the shape of the head. So on both sides, we're just going to curve this line around and down. Ending that as best as we can at the same height. Let's add in two little eyebrows here. We're just going to draw two curved lines. And now let's close off the cheek. So from that corner, we're going to round this out even further, pulling that back into the chin. Now let's draw in the ears. Coming up, we're going to curve this line out, pulling that back down. Let's round out the top of the ear. Stepping up, we're going to curve this around, pulling this through on the side. We'll line this up as best as we can at the same height on the right, replicating this as we tuck this all the way through and in on the side. Let's step out. From this corner here, from this edge, we're just going to curve this out, blending that in on the top, and then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Let's come down for the body now. So leaving a gap, we're going to arch this line around and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the center, we're just going to close that off with a curved line. Let's move down. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the left and right hand side. Let's draw on the foot. We're going to arch this back around, pulling that over, tucking that in. Replicating this on the right. And then moving up again one more time, curving this around and through, connecting that in the top corner. Let's move in towards the middle. From the center, curving this around, down, pulling that into the middle. Now let's replicate that on the right hand side. So starting in the center, just curving this back, around, tucking this in, blending that together. And lastly, let's draw in our arms. So from the chin, we're going to curve this line down on a diagonal on both sides. Let's move in. We're going to draw another diagonal line coming out, ending that at the same width. Now for the thumb, curving this around, pulling that back up. Let's move out. We're going to curve this over, pulling that back in. And then on the side, we'll just step in, curving this around and through. Blending that together. And that is it. That's how you draw Jerry from Tom and Jerry. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.